Hey guys, welcome back to our channel VT and GT Vlogs. Today in this video we are going to compare all the models of Skoda Rapid TSI where these cars has different features. So I'm right now sitting in my Monte Carlo so that we have every other feature that Skoda Rapid has, and then we'll be able to see what is there in the top end and what we are missing in Rider or other versions that are there with Skoda Rapid. So to start with, when you sit inside a car, first thing that comes across is the steering. As you can see in Monte Carlo, your steering is leather wrapped. Even in Style and Ambition, you get this leather wrapped steering wheel, but in the Rider, you will miss out on that part. Moving ahead, you can see there are the steering mounted control which are not there in Rider but are present in other models. Then moving ahead towards the instrument cluster. The instrument cluster in Rider is analog only, and rest of the models has this digital and analog instrument cluster. So on the Rider you will miss on, because of the analog instrument cluster, you will miss on the average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, and instant consumption that has been provided with other models. So you will miss on that part with Rider. Then moving ahead, the when you see the airbags, it's a very common feature in all the Rapid versions. So like it is the driver side and the co-driver side airbags are present in all the models. Just the Style model that is there, the top end, it has 4 airbags. When you said 4, one is at the driver side, another is at the co-pilot side. Then you have it from the sides of your seats on both the side of driver and co-driver passenger. So it gives the 4 kind of curtain airbags to you. Moving ahead, when you say Style and MC has a cool glove box. When you get to the glove box, Style and MC has cool glove box, and other models do not have it. Like there is cool AC vent that is there in the glove box, so you get to see cool air passing by, so you can keep your bottles or tins over there, cool your tins over there. So moving ahead, there is a in Rider you may miss out on the light that is there in your glove box. Then entertainment, there is no touch screen in Rider. The way you have it in your other models, there is no touch screen. Talking about the features that are strictly there with Monte Carlo and Style variant. So to start with the instrument cluster, you have and the parking assist that is there with Style and Monte Carlo is like when you put your car into reverse gear. I have put it in the reverse. So you have this rear view camera with the car. So this is missing in other models like Ambition and Rider. This is present here in Monte Carlo and Style. Then you have this anti-glare mirrors with Style and Monte Carlo, where it dims out when there is light, that is if you put on light from the back, like when people are coming from back behind you and they are on upper, so your mirror will automatically dim. Then you have this rest like automatic headlamps that we talk about. So when you put on your headlamps in the auto mode, many of us do not find it very attractive or something that is not that useful, but I would tell you this feature is provided to make sure that you're not wasting your battery in a way when you're doing a long drive. So what happens is when you're on a highway and you put on your lights to auto mode, what it does is your projector headlamp, that is the lower beam, is put on, and rest of the lights are like you can operate those. But when you turn or move on, or there is some ups or downs on the road, these lights are automatically adjusted as per the car's dynamics, how it is running. So it is very useful when you drive, so it will put on the fogs when required, and all those things happen automatically. It's very optimized feature, and it reduces your battery use. So that is one of the things that is there. Next feature I would talk about is the rain sensing wiper, which are there in Style and MC, and rest of the features where rest of the variants do not have it. And next is the OVRMs. So like in Style and MC, you can retract them sitting inside. So there is this notch. When you put it on, it goes out. This is there in MC and Style variant, Monte Carlo and Style. And has just Rider miss on this feature of retracting it, but you have this feature where you can adjust it. Like when I have put it on right, and I can move, like you can adjust it sitting inside the cabin. So this feature is available in Rider also. So this is there. Then when we move towards other thing that Rider miss on is this height adjustment feature control that is there with other models. This is not present in Rider, so like you cannot height adjust your Rider model. So other than that, every other thing is present, like other features for the seat are present. Then we move on to the upholstery. So Rider and Ambition miss on the leatherette miss upholstery. They have this cloth upholstery. Other than that, other models has this beige color upholstery, and exclusively for Monte Carlo it's all black and with the red tint. So when you see it from the interior front, only Monte Carlo has all black interior. As you can see, it is where it looks very premium. And when you see other models, they have this beige color here at somewhere here in this portion, and other sections are black. And also in doors, that section over there on the doors, it is beige color, and other rest of the things are black. When you show it from the back, so it's all black in Monte Carlo. Rider miss on this, like it has this beige and black interior. So talking about the door handles, only in the Style variants there are still chrome door handles. Other models has the body color door handles. Other than that, moving ahead towards the headlights section, if you see, all the other models other than Rider has this projector and the reflector, high beam reflector and low beam projector, and also the fogs. But in Rider model, you just have one reflector headlamp at the top. You miss on the fogs. So only one barrel reflector headlight which has both high and low beam. So you miss on the projectors and the fogs in Rider model. So that is a kind of a setback, I would say, because people, when they want to fit in fogs, there is no availability or such thing that is there. So you have to go aftermarket to fit on the fogs. Other than this, if there is difference in Rider model, is like from the tire specs. In all the other models, you find, other than Rider, you find that alloy rims are fitted, which like there are different alloy wheels for Ambition, Style and Monte Carlo. But in Rider, there is only the steel rim is fitted over there. So like you miss on the alloy rims. Also, if we compare the tire size, Rider and Ambition share the same tire size of 185 60 R15, and other than that, Style and Monte Carlo has 16 inches rim, where you are fitted with 195 55 spec tires, 195 55 R16. So these are the basic differences that are there from the look front. If you see it, there are no as such difference in your car when you compare from the looks point of view. Rider has the same looks. You miss on this spoiler at the back in the Rider, and also the back diffuser that only comes with the Monte Carlo edition. So few of the things that miss out on other models also when you compare it with Monte Carlo. Let's move on towards the pricing specs of all the variants that are there. I'm back in my car. So from the pricing specs front, Skoda Rapid Rider is very interestingly and very aggressively placed at the price band of 7.49 lakh, where it will compete with many other models, many other brands. If you put on 2.5 lakh plus, like at the 9.9 lakh, ambition model comes in, where you have this upgrade of alloy rims and things that are explained in the video. Then if you add 20k to it, you get the Onyx, which is placed at 10.19 lakh. Then you have, if you add more to Ambition from 9.9 lakh to 11.5 lakh, that is 1.5 lakh increase, you get a style variant which has 4 airbags and bigger alloys and bigger tires and few other features added, like your rear view mirror, the park assist camera and other features that are there. Then if you add 30k to it, you get exclusive limited edition Monte Carlo with you for it. So it's all black and with all the features that are there for this Skoda Rapid, any of the models that are there. So what all things exclusively you miss out on Rider are the alloy rims, the seat height adjustment, cloth, and there are cloth seat cover, and like this is also shared by the Ambition. So you do not have the steering mounted control. You miss on the leather wrapped steering wheel. OVRMs are just electrically adjustable, they are not retractable. Then you miss on the DRLs. It's a big miss that I forgot to tell you. Like when you headlight unit, you have the DRLs, daylight running lights, which are not present in Rider at all. It's present in all other models. Then the fog lamps are missing in Rider. Then headlight has just one reflector. It miss on this projector and high beam reflector control that is there. Then your instrument cluster is just analog, and there is no touchscreen in Rider. So these are the things that you miss on Rider, and those are present in other models, and there are for proper upgrades there according to the price that is placed in. So this is how Rider miss on few features, but it is very competitive compared to its price and other models with other brands that are present in the market, cause the ride quality that Skoda provides, it's Skoda Ride. If you like this video, do like it and share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Happy riding.